18 says a 600 ml IVPB is to infuse in 20 minutes. The set calibration is 15 GTT per ml. After 7 minutes, the IV contains 40 mLs. Calculate the new flow rate to deliver the piggyback on time. So a piggyback, this is just another name for a secondary IV bag that's hooked up to the machine. And they want us to calculate the new flow rate, so we don't need to put the original rate. So it's going to be the time remaining and the remaining amount in the bag. So the time that's left and the amount that's left in the bag. Now the type of tubing that's used is 15 GTT per ml, and it says that it's 60 mLs, and after 7 minutes the IV contains 40 ml. So they're actually telling us directly that there's 40 ml remaining. So I do not need to subtract that. Now as for the time, it says after 7 minutes, and it was originally supposed to infuse for 20 minutes. So I do need to subtract that. So 20 minus 7 is 13 minutes. And if I calculate this, then I get 46 GTT per minute.